great man is he who does not lose his child's heart. If a man is not virtuous, his wealth is of no value. He who exerts himself with perseverance will succeed. Parents teach their children. To talk, children teach their parents silence. A clean heart never fears a dirty world. An entire sea of water can't sink a ship unless it gets inside. One finger that wipes your tears in hard times is worth more than 10 clapping at your success. A man's virtue is his true wealth. Never neglect the education of your heart. Read so much that when you speak, people want to write it down. One who cherishes life must also cherish learning. A good person transforms difficulties into opportunities. If you're always explaining something, you're probably losing it. Silence is better than telling someone your heart's desire, and then telling them not to tell anyone. Stay away from the loud mouth, and beware of the quiet one. Don't kill flowers growing inside of you for someone who doesn't appreciate the way you bloom. Study diligently and act wisely. He who respects others gains their trust. The wise person controls desire, not the other way around. A gentle heart is stronger than a harsh mind. If you wish to help the world, begin with yourself. Do not seek fame, seek goodness. Happiness comes from virtue and right conduct. A quiet person often carries the deepest thoughts. Kindness is the foundation of all human relations. A good man does not take what belongs to someone else. A man should not be ashamed to improve himself. When the people are virtuous, the ruler is at ease. Learn to act with integrity in small matters. Experience is the word people use to call their mistakes. The greatest joy is to understand the world and oneself. If you govern by virtue, you will be loved. He who is patient conquers all. True greatness lies in moral courage. Do not grieve over what you cannot control. Act on what you can. To lead well, one must first be good. The heart of a noble person is always generous. To understand a person, watch for behaviors, how they treat time, money, silence, and stress. The fire of jealousy burns the hand that feeds it. Everything you learned late, teach your children early. If a problem can be solved with money, then it's not a problem but a cost.